if we check about Lando, it is basically a local development environment that is built on Docker containers. You can simply click on Get Lando button and it will navigate you to this screen where you can click on Download Lando and it will give you some Git repositories where you can download this Debian file. Sorry, this DMG file. This start with installing Lando. For that, I am having the DMG file. Here I'm having downloads. And this is a Lando installer. Allow. Continue. So as you can see, Docker is also installed automatically. So right now I'm not having anything in my Docker, not any image and not any container. And right now we will understand it basically aims to simplify the process of setting up and managing development environment for web projects. Now if I switch on to terminal and check Lando version, so as you can see here, Lando version is displaying v3.20.5. It means Lando is successfully installed. And if I'll tell you what is my current location, so here I am in this folder. So now let's create and a project, Drupal project, and set up it via Lando. Let's create a directory first. You can create any directory with any name. Let's say my Drupal 10 app, and then we will navigate into this directory. Okay, and now you have to do Lando init. This is a command which will initialize your Drupal 10 app. So as I have given the command, it will ask you from where should we get your app's code base. So here are the different set of options. So right now I am choosing the current working directory, which stands for CWD. Press enter. Then what recipe do you want? So these are the basic configurations, like Lando file should contain a name of the project, then there should be a recipe, then config, and inside config which web root we are using. So this configuration specifies any Drupal 10 project with the web root directory set to web. So for more simplification, let's proceed on further. I am choosing here Drupal 10 as a recipe. So I'm scrolling it down and choosing here Drupal 10. Let's press enter. Now here is a main thing. Initially when I was setting up, so I have chosen web, but due to that Drupal 10 core was not getting recognized. So therefore I'm right now uh, choosing here dot, so that it will get initialized into the current directory, the web root initialized into current directory. So let's press enter, and my Lando app, what's the name of the app? You can give the name what you want. Let me give it my Drupal 10 app and press enter. So as you can see, your app has been initialized. Now if I move into the folder where I have created this is a sugan.khanna directory, and here where it is my Drupal 10 app, let's double click it, and here you can see there is a .lando.yaml file. Okay, and let me enlarge the font. we can see the commands which we have shoot outed there. You got this file got created and you got these settings, these configurations got set up. Fine. Now let's again jump into the terminal. Okay, here I am. Now I have to install Drupal 10. So for Drupal 10, you can navigate to the browser and type here Drupal 10. So it will give you Drupal 10 fresh version. I'm going to install 10.o.o. So here is a command composer create project Drupal recommended project. So I'm just copying it from here and go to my terminal. Type here command Lando and this one. So instead of install directory, let me give some other name, for example Fresco, and press enter. So as you can see, there is no such container initially. If I'll show you the Docker also, as you can see, there is not any running container initially and there is not any image. So it will get created in a meanwhile. It is in process. Now we will run Lando start. And it is starting my Drupal 10 app. It is setting up all the containers inside the Docker. Let me show you Docker parallelly. So here you can see these are two images get pulled up and here are the containers that got created. Find the URL response is showing 200 now. Now let me open this in the browser. So here we are. Let's install Drupal now. Let me check these informations by doing Lando info. Now it is showing Drupal 10 as a database name and username and password is also Drupal 10. Save and continue. As you can see now, Drupal is installing. So as you can see, Drupal is installed successfully by using Lando.